Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a full face makeup on myself for the very first time. I have never ever done a full face makeup on myself. So today I got my foundation, I got my concealer, I also got my powder and all of that. So I have everything with me right now, so let's just get right into the video. I hope this turns out right. Let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so right now I just cleaned my face and I'm gonna be using this soft Nivea oil. It's for the face, for the body and for the hands. So I'm just gonna use it. So okay, so I'm done with that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be using is this MAC foundation. So I'm going to be using this Beauty Blender and this MAC foundation. Okay, so. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna start with my face. So guys, it doesn't look like my color, so I'm just gonna use a different one. So I'll see you right back. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this is take two. I decided to take this Fit Me foundation. It's number 338. So I'm gonna try this one. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just trying to blend it in. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I don't know. It looks a lot. Okay, so I think I'm fine. I hope I didn't put too much. I think I'm fine. So I think now I'm just gonna move on with the concealer. So my concealer is here. Okay, so this concealer is like a lipstick. It's numbered 030. So I'm just gonna put it here under my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, 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 and here. I really hope I'm doing a good job. I mean, it looks fine for me, but yeah, you see, it's my first time, so please. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. So I'm gonna move on with the powder. So I think this is fine. Okay, Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be using this for my eyebrows from Essence. So let's hope for the best. So now I'm gonna be doing my second eyebrow. Okay, so I think it's fine, so I'm just gonna continue. So now I'm gonna be using my concealer. I'm using this Pro Conceal. So yeah. As you can see, I think it's fine. Oh. No, I think it's not fine. Wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue. I hope it's good. I think it's good. Okay, I think it's not bad, so I'm just gonna blend it, I guess. No, or yeah. Okay guys, so I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I think I did a good job. So now I'm gonna be using this lipstick concealer, and I'm gonna put it here, from here, here, and from here to here. I think that's fine. And then right now I'm gonna be using some eyeshadow. So I basically have this eyeshadow. Wait, I have this eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this lip liner. So guys, I basically have this lipstick, and it's really beautiful, and I also have this lip gloss, but I think today I'm gonna be using the lip gloss. So yeah. So guys, right now I'm gonna put some mascara. So yeah. Guys, I am done. Now I'm just gonna use my setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the end look of my makeup. I think I did a pretty good job. If you would like to see more like these videos, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we're gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye!